deep breath in, breathe out. Good. You're going to feel a little bit of pressure. Nice. Deep breath in again. Breathe out. Lay your back up. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. There it is. Lay on your back. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Good. You'll feel a little bit of pressure. Another deep breath in. Good. Breathe out. Nice. One more. Let's get the whole spine. There we go. Take a deep breath in. Good. Breathe out. You're going to feel that all the way through. Good. There we go. Good. Head adjustment. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. I'm going to turn your head to the side. Just let your head relax. Let me do all the work. Good. There we go. Oh, yeah. Good. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Lay on your back. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Lay on your back. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Let your back relax. Nice. Okay.
Ready.
Deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Relax. Oh, lots of popcorn. All right, go ahead and turn over. And scoot a little closer to me. Good. Arms just like this. Good. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. You're going to feel a little bit of pressure in between your shoulder blades. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Good. Deep breath in. Breathe out. There you go. Good. Breathe out. Nice and relaxed. There we go. Perfect. Lay on your back. You felt that one. Yep. Here. In, breathe out, and just kind of let your back relax. You'll feel a little bit of pressure. Good. Yeah. Turn over. Alright, same thing here. Arms up. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Oh, Alright, deep breath in. Breathe out. Perfect. Turn over. Deep breath in. Nice. Lay it back. Bring this arm over, and for your first low back adjustment, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Yes. Turn over. You love it, right?
Yes.
All right, one more here. This arm up here. Good. Deep breath in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. There we go. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Lay on your back. That was perfect. You're making me look good on camera. That's awesome. All right, arms together. One more for the lower part of the mid-spine. Pop. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Alright, good. Turn over. Good. Wiggle the toes. Nice. Another deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Bullseye. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. In position. You're going to feel a little bit of pressure on the back, so let your hips relax. Deep breath in. There you go. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Good. Turn over. Popcorn.
Yeah.
Arms like this. Good. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Lay on your back. A little bit of pressure through here. Good. It's right there. That's. Breathe out. Good. You're going to feel a little bit of pressure right through the upper back. There you go. Good. Nice. Let your leg relax. I'm going to give a little pull. Ah, bullseye. All right, another one here. Let it relax. Ooh, all the way up. Mic today. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Oh. There we go. Good. Turn over.
feel better already.
And I mean that as a compliment. You're there. So,
No, I know. It's...
deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. A little pressure. Oh, there it is, right there. Lay on your back. Let your head drop. There you go. Perfect. Another deep breath in. Breathe out. Wiggle the toes. There it is. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Nice. That was clean. Another deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Voila. Another deep breath in. Breathe out. This one's a little higher. There we go. Good. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. There we go.
Oh.
Lots of popcorn there.
Yeah.
Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Another deep breath in. Breathe out.